Hello, business owners. I often hear you all say that whenever you promote a person, you actually end up demotivating many others. मैं क्या करूं? Well, this is your business coach Nalin Mehta. Welcome to my talk series क्या करूं, specially recorded for you. So let's discuss this topic today. Any well-performing organization must promote people with good potential to take higher responsibilities. A good employee finds this the most motivating aspect of his work. On the other hand, those who miss the promotion, they do find it hard to reconcile. But this should not obviously prevent us to promote a deserving employee. Now I do understand that business owners focus on performance to decide on promotions. I am sure you have a set of goals, targets, measures of performance, and you measure the employee against those goals. And someone who meets his numbers consistently is noticed as a good performer. Well, if you don't have documented goals, it's important you do that. Otherwise, you will be judging performance subjectively. And that for sure is the recipe for mistakes as well as resentments in general. So please do have annual goals, key performance indicators, all of them duly documented. The aspect that I want to discuss in today's talk is that focusing on performance is a must, but it is not sufficient. You must also focus on potential of the employee to take higher responsibility. Now you may ask, how do I judge that? Well, there are a few signs that an employee who has high potential constantly shows. First, in meetings and discussions, he or she is always a part of solution and not the problem. High potential employees may bring problems to you, but always come with couple of alternate solutions to that problem. They present the problem along with solutions, and they come to you only for guidance or approval, or even show their good work, which I think is very fine. In doing so, the employee is conveying that he or she is taking responsibility for his work. The second sign is that they are always willing to share their knowledge. They are in fact looking for opportunities to mentor and teach others. They recognize that a part of their responsibility is coaching the younger lot. They constantly identify areas in which other team members are weak and proactively coach them. You will also find them pinpointing good performers in their team. They are constantly exhibiting that their success lies in the success of the department or in the success of their whole team. So please observe these signs. Next thing to notice is the efforts they put to improve their knowledge. High potential employees probably have better knowledge than an average employee, but they still show a hunger to learn more. They will even show interest to learn about other departments. Especially, they will show a remarkably high keenness to more know about customers and market. And this is irrespective of the department they work for. So business owner, pay attention to how they seek information. Do they often ask other departments about how they work? Do they seek to study? Do they try to join courses? Do they read trade magazines? Or even surf the net to get more information? And they also will dive in and try something new. So watch out for such initiatives. Another sign of high potential employee is that he is repeatedly asking you for feedback. By proactively seeking to know how they are doing, they are also asking how they can improve further and how they can do things differently. You should also observe what are they doing with the feedback that you give them. If you see them put that feedback into action, it's the best indication. They will continue to strive for greater things, especially if you give them a higher role. Finally, they don't hesitate to talk about their career advancement. It's very common for employees to ask for a raise or some better facility, but it is high potential employees who will constantly come and seek higher responsibilities. Business owner, if you identify an employee with above high potential traits, be sure that their peers also are noticing such traits. When you promote such an employee, others have to grudgingly accept. What you must do as a head of business is to announce the promotion in a meeting where perhaps all the key people are attending. In your announcement, explain the high potential traits you observed in that employee. Of course, also explain the performance numbers. Explain your new expectation from the promoted employee. What do you want him to do extra now that he has higher responsibilities? Not only you will motivate the employee being promoted, but also give a very positive message to everyone in that meeting. To summarize, do look at performance numbers, measure them against goals, but that's not all. Look at high potential traits. And looking at high potential traits is even more important. And lastly, make sure that you make an appropriate communication announcement explaining why you chose the particular employee for the promotion. And you will see that it will actually motivate other good employees to do better. Hope this Kya Karu talk will help you not only to promote the most deserving employee, but also help motivate others to do better. Thank you very much.